Hi everyone, I welcome you back. Myself Renu Bansal, your English teacher. Today I am going to teach you class 2nd translation chapter. Our topic is use of is and are in interrogative sentences. So let's start our students. Today I am going to teach you interrogative sentences. Use of is and are in interrogative sentences. So before starting the interrogative sentences, we will revise our previous class work. In previous class, I told you affirmative sentences and negative sentences. So first of all, we will revise that work. Affirmative sentences means simple sentences. Like here one sentence is given here. मैं एक छात्र हूँ. मैं means I. With I we use am. I am a student. I am a student. Student means chhatra. So this is an affirmative sentence. Then negative sentences. Negative sentences means नकारात्मक वाक्य, where we use not in sentence, जहाँ पर हम नहीं use करते हैं. So let's convert this sentence into, translate this sentence into English. मैं एक छात्र नहीं हूँ. मैं means I. With I we use am, and in negative sentences with am is mr we use not. Here nahi is written here, so for nahi we will use not with am. I am not a student. मैं एक छात्र नहीं हूँ. So now come to the interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences means प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य. Interrogative sentences are those sentences where a question is formed. So here is the sentence, क्या मैं एक छात्र हूँ. Negative sentences मैं एक छात्र नहीं हूँ, and simple sentences मैं एक छात्र हूँ. When we ask question, जब हम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं या कोई भी हमसे क्वेश्चन पूछता है, in our daily life we use this type of sentences like क्या तुम मेरे भाई हो, क्या वह मेरा मित्र है. This type of question we always form. So how we will translate these sentences into English? To translate an interrogative sentence, we use is, am, are in the beginning of the sentence. We use is, am, are according to our subject. If our subject is singular, then we use is. If our subject is plural, then we use are. And if our subject is I, then we use am. So we use is, am, are at the beginning of the sentence, and we use question mark at the end of the sentence. So let's start translate this sentence. क्या मैं एक छात्र हूँ. मैं means I, and with I we use am. So we use am beginning of the sentence. Am I a student. And question mark. Am I a student? क्या मैं एक छात्र हूँ? And we will use question mark here. Now look at the next example. क्या वह एक खिलाड़ी है? It means this is a question. So we write is, am, are according to the subject. Here वह means he, or we can say she. So it is a singular subject, so we will use is. Is he is a singular subject, so we use is with he. Is he a player? And question mark. First letter should be capital, and at last question mark should be there. So in this way you can make interrogative sentences. Now come to the next example. क्या तुम प्रसन्न हो? तुम means you, and you is a plural subject, so we use are here. Are you happy? Are you happy? And question mark. First letter should be capital. So in this way you can make interrogative sentences. Let's come to the book work. We will do some practice from in your translation book. It is page number 18. So here's the question. These are interrogative sentences. Translate the following sentences into English. So first sentence is, क्या आप मूर्ख हो? आप means you. With you we use are. Are you मूर्ख means foolish. Are you foolish? And question mark should be there. Next is, क्या हम नदी में हैं? हम means we, and with we use are. Are we in the river? Are we in the river? Next is, क्या वे मोटे हैं? Are they fat? We means they, and they is plural subject, so we use are. Are they fat? Next is, क्या बंदर पेड़ पर है? Bandar means it is a singular subject, so with singular subject we use is. Is monkey on the tree? So is the monkey on the tree? In this way, students, now you will complete remaining sentence. This is your homework. 5, 6 and 7, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These sentences you will complete yourself. You will complete all these sentences in your book. Translate these sentences in your book. Now come to the next question. F, page number 18. Translate the following sentences into Hindi. So first is, are those birds pretty? So are is written at the beginning, so we use kya when we translate this sentence into Hindi. क्या, those means वे, क्या वे पक्षी सुंदर हैं? Next is the television a fantastic machine? So when we translate in Hindi we use क्या टेलीविजन एक फैंटेस्टिक मीन्स शानदार. क्या टेलीविजन एक फैंटेस्टिक शानदार मशीन है? कम टू द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. इज शी आ स्मॉल चाइल्ड? शी मीन्स वह. क्या वह एक छोटी बच्ची है? क्या वह एक छोटी बच्ची है? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज ही आ टॉल बॉय? क्या वह एक लंबा लड़का है? So students, like this you will complete your remaining sentences. Complete page number 18 and 19 in your translation book. This is your today's homework. So complete your work carefully. Do practice. Come to the previous class homework which I gave you in previous class. So let's discuss those sentences. 4 sentences were done and remaining sentences we will do now. So fifth sentence is it is page number 17. Fifth sentence is वे कक्षा में उपस्थित नहीं हैं. They are not present in the class. Now next is हवाई जहाज समय पर नहीं है. The aeroplane is not on time. Next is मैं उसके साथ नहीं हूँ. I am not with him. आप अच्छे मिस्त्री नहीं हो. You are not a good mechanic. Come to the next question, page number 17. Translate the following sentences into Hindi. Negative sentences. Sentence is this egg is not round. This means यह egg means अंडा. यह अंडा गोल नहीं है. Next sentence is he is not an American. वह अमेरिका का नहीं है. Next is the polar bears are not black. ध्रुवीय भालू काले नहीं हैं. Polar bears means ध्रुवीय भालू. ध्रुवीय भालू काले नहीं हैं. They are not rich. वे अमीर नहीं हैं. Next is we are not in the garden. हम बाग में नहीं हैं. Next is the birds are not on the tree. पक्षी पेड़ पर नहीं हैं. So students, like this you will complete your negative sentences in your book. Do practice of it, and today I gave you homework of interrogative sentences. So complete that homework carefully. Do practice of it.